working on some math, so let's get started with our objective. I'll start and you repeat. Objective is what we are going to learn. And today's objective is I can write a math equation. Now, what is an equation? An equation is a number sentence. So we've been calling them number sentences. It's when we're using our friends like Gus the plus and Izzy the equal sign, but we are calling it an equation. That is the word that you're going to hear for the rest of your life in math, so we better get started using it. But it basically means a number sentence. So today we're continuing with our number bonds, but we're also going to be adding in some equations, and we're going to be reviewing our friends Gus the plus, who helps us to bring numbers together, and Izzy the equal sign, who helps us to make things the same. So let's quickly review with our rhymes. So I want everybody to get your arms out. And for Gus, we say, we take two parts and put them together. Add them up because more is better. Let's do that one more time. We're going to take two things and put them together. Add them up because more is better. Very nice. So that's what Gus helps us do. So he helps us to bring those hidden partners together, those two parts of the number bond that come together. We add them up and they make that total. Now Izzy is our equal sign. And she says, I am an equal sign. Izzy is my name. What you count on one side, the other is the same. So when Gus helps us to bring those things together, we need Izzy to tell us what it's equal to. So when we have our hidden partners that Gus brings together, Izzy has to tell us, oh, this is what you get when you add them up. This is what you get for your total. So we're going to be working with our friends Gus and Izzy to make our equations today. So make sure that you have your number bond mat. They're going to be helping us to write some equations. Okay, so we're beginning with looking at a picture and helping us to write an equation, a number sentence that matches, and a number bond. Remember that our number bond can be said like a number sentence or an equation. So let's go over it together. This picture shows us that there are 6 corn stalks. A corn stalk is something that grows corn. It's a plant. 5 corn stalks are in the first row. 1 corn stalk is in the second. So we know that we have 6 altogether. And they actually already wrote a 6 as our total. So now if we look closely, I see that right here is Izzy the equal sign in our equation. 6, and then we say equals. 6 equals. Now 6 equals means that 6 is the same as 6 is equal to blank plus blank. This is where we need our hidden partners. That's what we would put in our 2 hidden partner circles here. So how did they make 6 here with the corn stalks? How did they make 6? Well, they said that there were 5 in one row, so I see 5 here. So that's one of my hidden partners, 5. And then how many do we have in this row? Just 1. Just 1. So now I'm going to put that into my equation. And remember that Gus the plus is going to help us to bring those hidden partners together. So 6 is equal to, 6 equals 5 and 1. 5 plus 1. 6 equals 5 plus 1. That's exactly what we showed in our number bond over here. So Izzy told us that 6, this number 6, is the same as if you have 5 and 1. This side of Izzy is equal to this side of Izzy. They are the same. 5 and 1 is the same as 6. They are equal. Equal means the same. Let's look at another one together. Make sure that you're filling in your number bond and that you can practice writing your number sentence. So the way that you would write it is 6. The way that we wrote it here was 6 equals, and when you write an equal sign, you're going to write 2 straight lines. 6 equals 5 and then we wrote Gus the plus, which you make a straight line down and a straight line across. Plus 1. 6 equals 5 plus 1. That's what we wrote here. Let's do another one together. Now this one says, there are 6 cars on the road. 2 cars are big and 4 cars are small. So what did it say our total was? How many cars are there all together on the road? It says there were 6. So if we're going to draw a number bond, so you can write this in your number bond, Matt. It said that there are 6 cars all together. 6 cars on the road. 2 cars are big. 2 cars are big. 4 are small. So what are my 2 hidden partners here? I had 2 big cars, and how many small cars? 4 small cars. 2 cars are big, 4 cars are small. And 2 and 4 is, and what was our total? 6, very good. Now this says blank is blank and blank. What do I need here? Well, I need to write my number sentence, and then I'm going to turn it into an equation using Izzy and Gus. So let's look at this all together. Blank is. Remember that is tells us we need equals. So this needs to be my total. My total is the same as my hidden partners. So I need to put my total here. What was my total? 6. 6 is, 6 equals, 6 is what? What were my hidden partners? 2 and 4. 6 is 2 and 4. And then our math way of saying that, our equation is going to be 6 equals 2 plus 4. So Gus the plus is going to bring that 2 and that 4 together, and Izzy tells us that equals 6. 6 is equal to 2 plus 4. 6 equals 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Nice work. So there, we looked at the problem first. We saw the picture, we read the words, and I made a number bond to help me see what my total was and what my hidden partners were. Then I could write a sentence about it. 6 is 2 and 4. And then we turned that sentence into an equation using Izzy and Gus. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, this is a tricky one. It says 3 geckos have black spots and 3 geckos have no spots. There are 6 geckos. So what is my total here? How many geckos do I have altogether? I have 6 geckos altogether. Now, how did we make 6 here? We looked at geckos with spots and no spots. How many geckos had spots? 3, very good. 3 geckos had spots. How many geckos had no spots? 3 again. So 3 and 3 is 6. Now let's look at our equations over here. I notice here it tells me 3 plus 3 equals, and then I need to write something here. What do I need to write there? I need to write my total. Remember that here's my hidden partners. Gus is always working with the hidden partners. Here's a hidden partner, here's a hidden partner, and I see Gus the plus there. 3 plus 3, and here's Izzy, is equal to, and what did it equal? 3 plus 3 equaled 6. So I'm going to write my total. Now here it says blank equals 3 plus 3. What do I need to write here? What equals 3 plus 3? What is the same as 3 plus 3? It's 6. Wait a second. We just wrote the same thing 2 times. But over here, I started with my 6. I started with my total being equal to my hidden partners. Up here, I started with my hidden partners, and then I wrote my total. Did it change my answer? No. You can write it both ways. We can start with our total, or we can start with the hidden partners. That's pretty cool. Because remember, Izzy tells us that whatever's on this side is equal to this side. That's her job. So we can write it either way. That's pretty cool. Now let's look at how you're going to practice all of this. It's a lot of stuff, so we need to do some practice. Okay, so here's what you're going to see for your homework. It says, there are 6 monkeys. There are 6 monkeys. 4 monkeys are swinging on the tree, and 2 monkeys are taking a nap. So it's telling you about the monkeys. Now, I want you to write a number bond to match the story, and then to also write 2 equations. Now notice, your equations are going to show you, they're going to match the story. So you have 6 monkeys, 4 in the tree, and 2 napping. But look, here, Izzy is over here. Then Izzy's over here. So watch where you're putting your total and watch where you're putting your hidden partners. If you need help with this, you can come to homework help, okay? Make sure that you're really looking at where my Izzy the equal sign is and where my Gus the plus is, so that you know where you need your total and you know where you need your hidden partners. Remember that you always put your hidden partners with Gus, and then you put your total next to Izzy, okay? And use your number bond to help you find where your total is and find what your hidden partners are, all right? So again, your problem says there are 6 monkeys. 4 monkeys are swinging on the tree, and 2 monkeys are taking a nap. All right, kindergarten dolphins, give it a try. I think you guys can do it. Good luck, everyone. I'll see you later.